Welcome to Max 4. This autumn we hosted Open Day here at Max 4, where we invited 900 people to come for an inspiring day full of science and innovation and technology. And part of our mission here at Max 4 is to champion the benefits of science and share what we do. So whether it's an outreach event or the latest research, we strive to reveal the wonders of science. On Open Day, we asked if you had any questions for us, and you did. We've collected those questions, and today we're going to talk with some of our staff and find out the answers for you. So let's go see what they have to say.
Hello. Why was Max 4 invented? Synchrotron light sources has been around for quite a long time. In Lund, we started building Max 1, and it was finished in 1985. It's the one I have behind me here. After that, we have developed the technique, and today we are hosting the world's first fourth generation light source here in Lund, which is quite amazing, I must say.
Hi, let me pick one. What are the most impactful experiments done here? Well, that's an interesting question. In a way, I think the impactful experiment that we have done at Max 4 is actually the building of Max 4 in itself. At Max 4, a whole new technology is being used, and it was not really known whether it would work. When it was shown that it actually worked and that we actually can produce really powerful X-rays, a lot of facilities all over the world started an upgrade or new building of their own facilities. On a very different level, just a couple of months ago, Tetra Pak did experiments at Max 4 on paper straws. And due to these experiments, they actually could see that they could improve their manufacturing processes. So of course that is a whole different level of impact, but thinking about the production of Tetra Pak, it's of course huge. And then finally, we are doing a lot of basic research here, and their impact comes often quite a lot later, but due to all these experiments on materials, the molecules of life, understanding of processes, we know a lot more about our world and our universe. So that has impact as well.
Hello. You have a question for me. Let's see. What's your favorite thing that you have studied at Max 4? So yes, 2 years ago we did a really cool experiment. Actually, we were interested in a protein which is a sodium pump. That means that it takes sodium atoms that are floating outside the cell and it pumps them into the cell. And the cool thing about this particular protein is that it's light activated. So you can shine some light on it, and that acts as a switch. So the protein moves with the light, and then several changes happen that make the protein start pumping sodium. And that sounds so amazing. We wanted to actually see how that happens in real life. This experiment is really hard to do at older synchrotrons or with less intense X-ray sources, because we can't collect data fast enough to be able to capture the reaction in the short time it takes. It takes fractions of a second. So what we did was to put the crystals in Biomax. We shone a laser light in them to activate them and to start the reaction. And then we started collecting data every single millisecond after the laser pulse. And then after that, we put all the data together, and we could make a movie with the structure of the protein every millisecond. And we can actually see how it moves and what happens inside the protein. And we saw that all it takes to start this reaction is just four amino acids slightly changing position, moving a little bit, just like a little door opening. And I think that's the most amazing thing I've seen at Max 4.
So the question is, what's your favorite thing that you have studied at Max 4? Well, actually, it's a bit difficult for me to pinpoint the favorite thing that I've done here, since I'm working at the industry office, and so we work a lot with industrial users that run experiments on a wide variety of topics. I mean, to name a few, we have companies coming over to understand the process to develop new and more efficient cancer drugs, for example. Other companies that are more focused on new materials and try to study and to develop new materials that would provide more sustainable and robust solutions into the green transition, for example. So as you see, it's very broad, the topics that we look at it here, and it's actually very exciting. And you can realize that all those projects and many others, they really focus to tackle the global challenges that we are facing today. And that makes not only me, but us at Max 4 very proud of what we do here.